Sparklers, attempt number 1.
Hurry up. Buckle up. After. You got this. We're gonna help her.
Hurry
One
up.
at a time, alright? Angel, help your sister. You're not helpless. What the hell?
Not meant to be, let's go.
One more time.
You're gonna be buckled?
Kayla's not helping.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Hold on, WV.
I dropped one.
I dropped the ladder.
Go grab the ball on the ground.
The fuck's my lighter? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Dude, don't light anything on fire. There's brush over there.
You got my lighter?
I dropped the ladder, don't worry. That shit burned my finger.
Step on it.
My fucking hand. Put dirt on that fire.
Yeah.
We're going to, relax.
Step on it. Just step on it. Oh my eyes.